ma tagħmilx differenza jekk il-carer ikunx Malti, barrani, l-aqwa li jingħata s-servizz u jingħata tajjeb.
Personal experience, a close-up conversation or in a work setting. At the end of the day, we are all same race, human beings.
The greater the welcoming, the better, as we feel more comfortable in a way of working together.
These 4 years working in caring gives me the opportunity to see myself being part of the society, because dealing with the elderly, with their relatives whenever they come to visit them, and most importantly, the job, the contribution I make, I put, and the acceptance I get from the colleagues, it tells me that I am part and parcel of the society.
Meta l-anzjani iħossu li l-istaff huma maqudin ma jirrigwardax in-nazzjonalità jekk mhux Maltin jew le. L-anzjani jħossu l-għaqda bejn l-istaff u jħossuhom kondi, jħossuhom li għandhom familja.